Like Dave said, my name is Pete Santos. I'm originally from Guam. I'm living in Linwood. I'm a dual citizen though. I was born in Agate, but I was raised in Santa Rita. So when people ask me, boy, where did you stay at in Guam? I just say, at our house. You know, they label me already as a wisecrack. I came from a party earlier. Today we had a birthday party and this guy asked me, who's your parents? I said, my mom and my dad. And you know, when my daughter was born, or I'm sorry, when my wife was pregnant with my daughter, I had 4 boys and the last one was a girl. So everybody was scratching their head, you know, whether we're gonna have a boy again or another girl, or I mean a girl this time. So they asked me, they said, do you guys know what you're having? I said, yeah, a baby. And they said, we know, but what kind? I said, Chamoru. They said, never mind. So anyways, I am Chamoru, but up at the University of Washington where I go to school, a lot of people mistake me for Filipino. So one day I went in to register my classes, and this Filipino lady that works in the registration office says, come here, boy, are you Filipino? So you know, growing up in Guam, I have a lot of Filipino friends. I learned a little bit Filipino. So I said, hindi ako Filipino. I'm from Guam. Oh, but you speak Tagalog. Are you mestizo? I said, no, I'm Mr. Tiso. What is that? Mr. Tiso. So I told her, right? And she said, ay bastos. That means nasty, right? So I noticed there's not any kids in the crowd tonight, so normally I tell jokes that are rated R. Does anyone have any problems with any jokes that are rated R tonight?
Oh wait, I'll turn off my
So if you don't like to hear any rated R joke, just close your eyes. So anyways, back in Guam, there's an old folks home. It's called St. Dominic's up in Barragata Heights. So there's this old man that was living there, and everybody knew him because he's such a happy guy. Anybody he sees, he says hi. Hey, how's the day? How are you doing? So one day this nurse came in real early and she found Tunwan, his name is Tunwan, sitting there on the corner, and he was looking down, staring into the ground. And the nurse said, Tunwan, is everything okay? He looked up at her and said, nurse, I have bad news today. Today my chili died. So the nurse, right? She didn't know what to say. She just said, maybe the guy's going senile already, never mind. So the following week, she came in again early, and she saw all the old ladies lining up towards Tunwan's room. And she was scared. So she ran in and she found Tunwan sitting on the bed, and his chili was sticking out. And she said, Tunwan, what is going on? Why is your chili hanging out? He said, nurse, calm down. Didn't I tell you last week that my chili died? She said, yes. He said, today night is the viewing. Give me the envelope, hurry up. So anyways, Tunwan got kicked out. He got kicked out. So one time I was telling jokes like this, and I saw my friend from Zonia. Woo! And I said, hey, who here's from Doña? And I knew he was gonna raise his hand at me. So instead of him, there was another girl in the back. She raised her hand, me, I'm from Doña. I said, are you sure you're from Doña? She said, yes. So I said, do you know the Aguero family in Doña? She said, yeah, I know all of them. I went to school with them. I said, what about the youngest boy, my friend Chad? He said, yeah, that's my classmate. I said, so you're telling me that you're classmates with Chad Aguero? She looked at me and she's, you mother me. So you gotta be careful, right? These Chamorros, they like to play tricks. Like my auntie the other week, she says, boy, can you pray for me? I said, why, auntie? She said, they're gonna operate on my eyes. They found a Cadillac. I said, Cadillac? Are you sure that wasn't a Lincoln Town Park? She says, no, boy, it's a Cadillac. So they're gonna operate it on my eyes. So I said, okay, I'll pray for you that they safely remove the Cadillac. So, anyways, wait, because I have to remind myself, because I already had more than 6 beers. Oh, my goddaughter, she's so sweet. She said, Nino, did you know that the sheep and the cow got married? And I said, no, I didn't know that they could do that. I know that in some states the man and the man can get married, and the woman can get married, but I didn't know that the sheep and the cow can get married. And I said, okay, that's nice. She says, but what did the baby say when it was born? I said, I don't know. She said, the baby said, bear, moo. I said, baby, who's teaching you those jokes? To all my friends in kindergarten. So anyways, you guys saw the new Guam quarter, right? So this is the new Guam quarter, and I'm gonna make a prize out of this. Who can tell me, out of all the meats, which meat is the most blessed and holy meat?
Spam.
Oh, close. Beef? No.
Chiba.
No, because it said bebebo. Close. Nobody can guess? Somebody say ham. Okay, you win. And do you know why? Here, come and get it. Do you know why that the ham is the most holiest meat in the Chamorro culture? Because if you listen to the Chamorros, they say, Tajajuti ham, Bindisi ham, Asii ham. So that's why you know now, when you go to eat, when you're going to eat ham, you have to pray first. Because it's holy. Alright?